In this release of DecoNetwork, we've included an improvement to the Add Design pop-up based on your feedback. We understand that streamlining the process for your customer to provide you their artwork is critical to the purchasing process. Previously, the Upload Image button was only visible when the end user was browsing the My Upload section. The Upload Image button is now always visible within the pop-up, placed at the top of the Categories section. Clicking the Upload Image button will directly open up the system's file picker. From here, the end user can select a file from their computer and click Open to start the upload process. This improvement carries over to the mobile layout as well. You'll find the new Upload Image button always displayed at the top of the Upload Image panel, regardless of which category is selected. As a brief reminder, your customers can manage their previously uploaded designs from the Design section of their customer account area.